Hello and welcome. This is a channel to help you learn English in a simple and natural way. In this video, you will listen to English slowly and clearly. You don't need to understand every word. Just relax, listen, and follow the ideas. English is learned with time, patience, and practice. Let's begin. In this video, we will learn about becoming a better version of yourself. Becoming a better version of yourself is not about changing who you are. It is about growing into who you can become. Many people think self-improvement means being perfect or becoming someone else. This is not true. Real improvement starts with acceptance and small steps forward. A better version of yourself begins with awareness. Awareness means noticing your actions, your habits, and your choices. When you become aware, you start to see what helps you and what holds you back. Awareness is not judgment, it is observation. It allows change to begin calmly. Growth happens slowly. Many people want fast results. They want change in days or weeks, but real growth takes time. It happens quietly, through daily actions. Small improvements repeated over time create big transformation. Patience is part of becoming better. One powerful step toward a better version of yourself is learning. Learning keeps the mind active and open. Learning new things like English builds confidence and discipline. It shows you that growth is possible at any stage of life. Learning also teaches patience and consistency. Learning English is more than learning a language. It is training your mind to stay focused, to practice daily, and to accept mistakes. These skills help you in many areas of life. Every word you learn is a small victory. Every practice session builds confidence. Another important part of becoming better is taking care of your body. The body and the mind are connected. When you move your body, your mind becomes clearer. Exercise does not need to be intense. Simple movement every day is enough to build energy and balance. Caring for your health shows self-respect. When you respect your body, you make better choices. You sleep better, eat better, and feel stronger. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. This balance helps you grow emotionally and mentally. Being a better version of yourself also means being a better person to others. Kindness, respect, and honesty improve relationships. Small actions like listening or helping create positive impact. Being good to others also improves how you feel about yourself. Helping others brings meaning to life. When you help, you feel useful and connected. Helping does not require perfection or money. It requires attention and care. Simple acts of support build empathy and purpose. Another key part of growth is discipline. Discipline is doing what is important, even when motivation is low. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Small disciplined actions every day build strength and trust in yourself. Consistency is more important than intensity. Doing a little every day is better than doing a lot once. Consistency turns actions into habits. Habits shape your identity. Over time, you become what you repeatedly do. Fear often appears on the path of growth. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of change. These fears are natural. They do not mean you should stop. They mean you are stepping out of comfort and into development. A better version of yourself is not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches something new. When you accept mistakes, you reduce fear and increase confidence. Progress becomes easier. Self-respect is also essential. Self-respect means choosing what is good for you, even when it is difficult. It means protecting your time, your energy, and your values. Self-respect grows when your actions match your intentions. Your thoughts shape your life. Negative thoughts create limits. Supportive thoughts create possibilities. Changing your life also means changing how you talk to yourself. Speak with patience and encouragement. Growth needs kindness. You do not need to compare yourself to others. Everyone has a different path and pace. Comparison creates pressure and distraction. Focus on your own progress. Small improvements matter. Your journey is personal. Rest is also part of growth. Constant pressure leads to burnout. Rest allows recovery. When you rest, your mind and body recharge. Balance between effort and rest supports long-term improvement. Becoming better also means letting go of what no longer serves you. Old habits, negative patterns, and harmful environments slow growth. Letting go creates space for something new. This process takes courage and clarity. Every day offers a chance to improve. You do not need a new year or a special moment. Change begins now. One small choice today can change the direction of your future. A better version of yourself is built through action, not intention alone. Thinking about change is not enough. Action creates results. Even small actions count. Consistent effort shapes identity. Progress may feel invisible at first. Growth often happens quietly. Trust the process. What you practice daily becomes part of who you are. Over time, change becomes visible and real. In conclusion, becoming a better version of yourself is a lifelong journey. It is built through learning, discipline, kindness, and self-care. You do not need perfection. You need awareness, patience, and consistency. Start where you are. Use what you have. Take one small step today. Over time, these steps will shape a stronger, calmer, and more confident version of yourself. Growth is possible, and it begins now.